So yeah guys, this is my first trade idea for the year. I've resumed trading, so yeah, I just decided to document my weekly trades. So this is the first trade idea I'm watching out for. I think it will play out during the New York session, but let's see how it goes. I'm just waiting for the 1 hour retracement because price, as you can see here clearly, price is on an uptrend. So I'm waiting for it to take out this previous day low and tag me in my entry. So yeah, this is how the trade is looking currently. So I'm expecting price to, where is my markup? So let me just do this. Yeah, so this is what I'm expecting price to do, but let's see how it goes. I've already set my limit order, so I'm just going to wait for New York session to kick in and see how price delivers. So yeah, let's watch and see what plays out. So yeah guys, this is the first trade I took for the year and for the week, and today is Tuesday. So the trade ended up hitting my stop loss, as you can see here. So my first trade ended up being a loss. So no hard feelings. We'll just record, journal, and come back the next day. That's the key to trading. You show up every day. You don't know the day that it will be good in your favor. So that you just have to show up every day. So yeah, this is the outcome for the trade. It went straight to my stop loss, no rejection, which shows a huge bearishness in the market. So tomorrow I'm done for the day. So tomorrow I'll come and reanalyze and look for the direction to trade, either bullish or bearish. So yeah guys, this is just my first trade for the year and for the week, and it ended up being a loss. So I'll see you tomorrow, which is Wednesday or Thursday, whenever another trade presents itself. So have a good trading week guys. So yeah guys, we're back at it again. Today is Wednesday and I'm getting ready to take my second trade for the week. So I'm waiting for GBP USD to line up perfectly. So what's the idea on this trade? As you can see here currently, price has been making lower highs. From here, price has been making lower highs going down. So that shows bearishness, and price took out this low the previous week. So that's showing weakness in price. And price has retraced to a premium level we saw this huge rejection yesterday, this bearish rejection. So now I'm just waiting for price to retrace back into a premium level on the lower time frame, which is the 15 minutes. So let's go down into the 15 minutes, but first let's look at how the 1 hour is standing. So as you can see here, my idea is for price to retrace up back to this area here, tag me in, then take out this equal low we are seeing down here, which is my exit. So I'm waiting patiently for price to do its thing. I checked my economic calendar and we are having a bunch of news release, red folder news coming up by 9:15 on Euro, and we have by 10:30 on GBP. So I'm waiting to see how that aligns with my trade idea. So I'll update you guys on how the trade outcome plays out. So I'll see you when the trade plays out. So yeah guys, price has finally tagged me in on my trade. I've been waiting for it for almost an hour now. So finally the price has gotten to my entry. So let's see how it plays out. So I'll just be letting price do it, and if it goes to my stop loss, no problem. I followed my trading plan, and if it goes in my favor, no problem. So I'll be coming back later once price either hits my stop loss or take profit. So see you guys later. Bye for now. So guys, I'm back again. As you can see, price has hit my stop loss. So a news event came out on GBP and it was bullish on GBP. So price went straight to my stop loss, and I got out earlier than before. I got out earlier because price, the spread opened up in the broker I'm using. So price took me out earlier than it got to my stop loss. So yeah, this is my second trade that I've taken a loss. So that's 2 losses so far. let's see how it goes. We'll come back to tomorrow again, being Thursday, and on Friday I'm most likely not trading on Friday. So let's see if any opportunity presents itself tomorrow. So yeah guys, this is just, I'm done for the day. So yeah guys, this is Friday and I decided to take another trade today. So far this week I've taken two trades and both hit my stop loss, so I decided to trade Friday, but I was having double mind of placing trade today, but I just saw this setup and I said, since it fits my plan, so let me just take it, and whatever goes I'll just record what plays out. So as you can see now, price is getting to my entry, so if it goes straight and hit my stop loss, no problem. I'll just, this week is just will just be a poor week for me, so let's see how it goes. I'm currently watching to see how price plays out, and I'm waiting for it to tag me in on my entry. I already have a sell limit placed there. So yeah guys, price has tagged me in on my entry, so let's see how it goes. I'll be letting price either hit my stop loss or my take profit, so it does it. So now I'm committed already because price has already tagged me in, so let's just see how price plays out. I'll let you guys know. So yeah guys, price finally smashed my stop loss, so that's 3 trades this week and 3 stop loss hits. So that's just how it goes, how it went this week. So I'll review my trade the weekend and I'll come back next week and try to improve on what I did wrong. So yeah guys, this is the end of my trade for the week, and I'll see you guys soon. So happy weekend guys. As you've seen from my weekly review, this week was a red week, so I'll be breaking down the trades and the idea behind the trades and the lessons I've learned from the trades I took this week. So without further ado, let's dive into the process. And the first trade I had for the week was on Euro USD. So let's look at what Euro USD did this week. So yeah, as you can see here, this was the idea I had. That was on Tuesday. So let me try and break down the reason or my thought process for taking this trade. And the lesson I learned was that I didn't do my pre-market review or pre-market routine before taking this trade on Tuesday, because I didn't have in mind to trade on Tuesday. But as I just look at my chart, because I look at my chart every day, even on weekends. So as I just look at my chart, I saw this lining up. So I decided to just, because it looks like it fits my trade strategy. So I decided to take it, but without knowing the direction for the day. So as I took this trade, I was hoping for price to break out and take out this high, as you've listened for my video, because I saw this as an uptrend. So I was expecting price to continue the uptrend, taking out this high. Meanwhile, I had no idea that price was on a downtrend. Let's go to the 4-hour and daily chart. As you can see, after price broke down with this displacement, we've seen this consolidation and continuation. So this is just like a bearish pattern, which is like a bearish flag. So let's go into the 4-hour chart so we can see it more clearly. We saw this bearish consolidation right here, and we've seen price break below this low with this huge candle. So automatically price was on a downtrend since breaking this low, and this uptrend was just a lower time frame counter trend back into premium for price to displace back downward, breaking out this low. But I had no idea because I didn't do my pre-market routine, and I took this trade. Let's go on the 1-hour chart so we can see it clearly. I took this trade hoping for price to continue the counter trend, which I thought was an uptrend. So price went down, taking out this stop loss and taking out this relatively equal lows here, which is continuation of the bearish trend. But later on, after seeing price take out this low and huge and went up immediately back, taking out this high, automatically it should have signified to me that this environment is a low probability environment, because right here price is just on a consolidation. There's no clear, price is moving sideways, there's no clear trend. and that I'll explain that further. But let's go into the second trade I had for the week, which was on GBP USD. So what was the idea behind this trade? Similarly with the Evo USD trade, this was kind of different. After taking the loss on Evo USD, I did my pre-market within, and I realized that GBP was on a downtrend. Not really downtrend, but like on a consolidation. And I was expecting, since this high was higher than this, which was like price was making continuously lower highs, and price took out this low here, which was now a lower low, which is now like a downtrend. So I was expecting price to retrace up. I was expecting price to have a retracement back into premium. And what was the premium level I was expecting price to react from? A daily volume imbalance. So as you can see here, let me zoom in so you guys can see it here. As you can see right here, this is a void in price. So I was expecting price to reject off this area and continue the bearishness. So let's go back into the 1 hour so we can see what price did there. So what was my idea there? After price got to the volume imbalance, we saw this huge displacement, which was on Tuesday, and price retraced up. I looked down and I saw this liquidity here, which was like an equal low here. As you can see, price created an equal low, which I was expecting price to have a retracement up, then come back to sweep this equal low. But clearly, that's not what price did. And we had a GBP red folder news release just as price got to my entry. So it came out bullish on GBP. So we saw this huge spike to the upside, taking out the previous week high. And since taking out that previous week high, we've seen price collapse, melt downward. So what's the direction for this week? There's no clear direction. Like as we went to the 4 hour, we have seen price clearly moving sideways. There's no clear direction. So this is a low probability environment. This is a low probability environment. We are not on a trendy market. We are just moving sideways. So price can just be going up and down, taking out stops. So the other trade idea I had on Friday was due to my own personal error. So what was the error? After doing my routine, I had a game plan to trade. I wrote it down. I was expecting, let's go into the 15-minute chart because you can see it more clearly. I was expecting price, why price was still at this level here. I was expecting price to, before taking out this low, because this was the target, my trade target. So I was expecting price to go up here, do something like this, then come back down, taking out this low. But clearly, price went to my target first before going back to my entry, which automatically invalidated my trade. And I had this written down on my trade pre-market routine. I said if price takes out this previous day low before going to my entry, I had no reason taking any trade. But clearly, I was just hoping that this trade plays out, so it clears out the 2 losses I had, and puts me back in profit, because I do it 1:3 all my trades. So I had 2 losses. So I was expecting price to, so I was just hoping that price plays in my favor. But clearly, as you can see, price went straight to my stop loss, which made it the 3rd loss for the week. So this last loss on Friday was due to my personal issues and my error, because I was hoping that it goes in my favor, while clearly it invalidated my whole trading plan. So what am I trying to say here? As we've seen from the higher time frame, price is clearly consolidating. There's no clear direction. This is just a consolidation. So this is a low probability environment, especially if your strategy is a trending strategy, or it's good in a trending market. You have no business trading this kind of consolidation unless you are willing to take some unexpected losses or some unnecessary losses. And this week, looking back at this week, clearly I should have taken only 1 loss. That was on Wednesday, which was a valid loss. Like this loss was a valid loss, but I had no I had no reason of taking this trade because it clearly invalidated my trade idea or my trade plan before going to my entry. And the previous trade on Euro USD, which was on Tuesday, clearly if I had done my pre-market routine, I would have seen that this day was going to be bearish, because after price had this huge spark downward, we were just making a retracement back into 50% of the structure. So let's put this hour. So as you can see, we're making a retracement back into premium. No, that's not it. Let me put it down here. As you can see, we are making a retracement back into premium to continue the bearishness, taking out the low. But clearly, I didn't do my root analysis, pre-market analysis. I just saw a pattern in the market and I just decided to trade it without any narrative in price. So yeah, this is my breakdown for the trades I had this week. So I will be doing more on my review personally and looking at where I went wrong and trades I could have taken instead of the trades I had. So I'll be more prepared to take better trades next week. And the only thing I'm happy about is that I knew something like this was going to happen. So I decided to reduce my risks to 0.13% on every trade I take till I get back to my normal win rate and my zone, to like get back to my analysis and get back to being fluent in analyzing price and taking trades. But for now, I know I'll be sloppy because I've not traded for over a month. That was like my last trade I had was like on November. So I know coming back will be a bit sloppy. So I decided to reduce my risks to 0.13%. So that's what I'll be using till I've gotten my edge back. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick breakdown on the trades I took and a review and the reason behind the trades I had. So I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you guys have a good weekend and review your trades so we can do better next week. Thank you guys for watching this and peace.